Hi everyone, my name is Satyam Raha. I hope you are doing fine. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Vastu Grading app, which is available online on my website. And I will do hands-on on it so that you understand exactly how to use it to grid a floor plan into 16 and 32 slots, and how you can take it, export it, and use it to print on a piece of paper so that you can use it further. Okay, so I'll just switch off my cam and I will take you to my website. Now you can see here there is a Vastu Griha app. Okay, I'll just click it. So this is the app. Okay, now how to use it? See, you will only see the screen when you have subscribed, you have logged in and subscribed to this particular app. Okay, then only you will be able to see it, right? So now once you get into the app, what is the first step? The first step, you can see here we have the 5 tabs, right? So floor, draw, chakra, auto grid, and export. So you can see if you have a floor plan already present, let us say you have a picture of the floor plan. So what you can do is you can just use the floor tab. Okay, if you do not have it, suppose you want to draw the floor plan. So here in the canvas you can draw it. There is an option to draw in any kind of rectangle. You can simply draw your house. You can do it. Okay, if you want you can do it, but the best easiest way is just have the floor plan, like any let's just say you have built a house, then the planner will give you the floor plan. Okay, so you can just take a picture and you can upload it. So I'll just show you how to do it. Okay, so this is the easiest way. In case you do not have it, then you can draw. Okay, you can either draw on a piece of paper, or if you want to use this particular app, you can use this app. You will have all the options. Okay, you will have different colors, you will have lines, rectangle, circle, pen, text, eraser, whatever you want. Okay, you can undo it, you can redo it, you can clear it, whatever you want. Okay, you can also set the grid sizes. So that's just a facility which I provided. Okay, now you see, uh, I just loaded a floor plan image. Okay, now what I can do is I will just adjust its size. Okay, and I'll move it. See, move floor image. So I'll just move it according to my uh, preference, and I think it's okay. Now I'll go to the chakra tab. Now what I want is I want to find the center of the floor plan. Okay, so I'll just make the floor plan, the chakra, invisible. Okay, the opacity is 0, so it is invisible, so that I can simply see this particular floor plan exactly. So I'll go to the draw tab and I will draw line. Okay, how to draw it? I'll just click on the line option and bring your mouse over here. So okay, this is not a correct one. Let me do it again. Okay, just from the diagonal, let's say. So this is an example. Okay, you can do it correctly. So this is one line, another line. Maybe if I draw from here, okay, this is not right. Let me undo it. You can see you can edit it any time you want. Okay, any number of times, not an issue. Okay, this is, see, you will have problems in the beginning, but once you practice it will be fine. Okay, so you just need to find a center. Okay, so I'm just taking it as an example. Okay, so I think this is kind of the center. Okay, so now you can do one thing also. You can, if you have the floor plan physically, what you can do is you can just draw it like this and you find the center, you mark the center. Okay, now the second step is just go to the chakra tab, make the Shakti chakra visible, right? And now you click on the move chakra so that you can move around the Shakti chakra. So these are two different layers, okay? So that you have full control over the two images. So I'll just now align it to the center. Okay, maybe you want it is not visible, so I'll just make it transparent, and now I'll just find the center. See, this is the center of the Shakti chakra, you can see. So I'll just align it. Okay, it is already straight, just need to align it. I think I just did it. Okay, so now you see, you don't need to move the Shakti chakra, you just have to place it in the center. Now once you do it, you can just bring the Shakti chakra. You can also decrease and increase the size of Shakti chakra as per your requirement. Okay, you can, if you want fine tuning of the Shakti chakra, to keep it in the center, you can use these small movements. Okay, left, right, up, down, you can do it. Okay, and this middle one is center of the entire canvas. So it actually gives you something not correct exactly, so you do it manually. Okay, manually bring it in the center of the Shakti chakra. So I hope this is okay. Once I am actually sure that the Shakti chakra is correctly aligned, you can check it here. Now what I will do is, I have the degree, right? I already explained how to take the degree of this particular direction. Okay, the upper direction. So let us say you have some direction. Okay, whatever direction you have, let's say you have a direction of 20 degrees. So just pull it like 20 degrees. Okay, and fix it. So it will get aligned. See, the perpendicular, it is perpendicular 20 degree, it is fixed. Okay, whatever degree you want to rotate it, you can rotate it. Okay, not an issue. Okay, whatever you choose. For example, you do not want to rotate it, you have the degree, let's say you have a very precise degree, just go to the auto grid. Now just go to the auto grid. Here you have, see, the enter compass bearing of house. See, if you rotate it manually, then choose the manual option. If you want it to get rotated automatically, just click this. Let us say the degree which you got the compass, you got, let's say 70.5 degrees. Let us say. Now just write 70.5 degree. So this is basically the degree of this side, right? Once you are facing this side, so this is the degree. I explained it already. Now just click on apply and rotate. Just see the magic. So it is 70.5 degree, exact 70.5 degree. Okay, let's say you want 100 degrees. So just write 100 and apply and rotate. So it will get rotated, it will get aligned automatically. You do not need to do anything. Okay, before, what we needed to do is, we had to do this on a piece of paper, so it would have been very precise, like every alignment should be very precise. Now you see, the entire software is taking care of it. Okay, you just have to put it and click, it will get rotated exactly. Okay, now you can see here there is an option called 16 grid and 32 grid. So if you want a 16 grid system, that is you want the directions, you want the 16 directions gridding, then you can select this. And if you want the 32 entrances, then you can select this. So I'll just select 16 grid now. You can choose the color, whatever you want, you can choose options. And after that, you just click on apply auto grid. So before clicking, just remember, just understand that before using this software, before I had built this software, what we needed to do is, we needed to actually mark these boundaries. See this boundary, this is the boundary of southeast. Okay, we needed to draw the boundaries, and then only the gridding would have happened. Okay, we need to keep this Shakti chakra on the piece of paper, and after aligning it with the degrees and center, then we had to just draw the line with pencils. Okay, then we had to join it through the center, then only we got the gridding. But now using the software, what you can do is, you can simply click on apply auto grid. So I'll just click it, just see the magic. So it is exactly mapping, just see, I'll just make it opaque. Now you can see it, this is southeast, right? See, exactly from this is the boundary. It is detecting the entire boundary of southeast, and here you have it has written southeast AC. SAC. Just see the precision it has calculated exactly through the center. Okay, so this task needed manual intervention till now, before the software was available. So it was a very tedious task to do. Grading was the most tedious task, so you had to do it manually with precision, and any mistake you had to draw it on a different page. Right now you can get it done with a single click. Okay, just these are the steps. Okay, so now I'll just show you. I'll just see, this is the grading. Can you see? This is the grading. Okay, so after this, let us say I want to change the color. You can change the color, not an issue. Just remove the grid first, choose a color, apply grid. Okay, so you can do it on your own, it is not an issue. After this, just remove the last grid, and then let me show you the 32 grid system. Just click on it, apply. See, I will just make it a bit opaque. Now you can see here, see S5, this is exactly S5. See, this is nothing but 12.25 degrees, right? I think 12.2215, yes, 12.25 degrees each. These are so precise. You can see it has detected the entire boundary here. This is E3. Sorry, this is E8. See, exactly E8. This is E3, right? You can see this is E3. It has detected E3. So exact mapping is done. Okay, so you can do 16 grid, you can do 32 grid, whatever you want. Okay, and after you have done it, either you can do the predictions from here. Actually, from here, the Vastu consultant can actually start predicting for imbalances, for any kind of remedies. After this, you can predict. Okay, so what you can do is you can simply export this, okay, without the Shakti Chakra, because after the grading is done, the Shakti Chakra is of no use, right? So without the Shakti Chakra, you do not need to ghost it. What you can do is you can simply click on 6. Do you want a 16 grid, 16 direction grid? If yes, you can either have a PNG file, that is an image file, or a PDF file. Okay, according to your requirement. Both are printable. Okay, if you want a 32 grid, then you also get PNG and PDF. Okay, so that's up to you, and obviously it will be exported in a very high quality, 3 times the original. Okay, so the resolution will be very high. Just look at it. I'll just download it. Okay, so just click on this PNG, so it will export. It takes time because basically it is actually getting exported in the server. Okay, that is why it takes a bit of time. So now I'll just show you this, show you the picture. See, without the Shakti Chakra, you can zoom it, there is no data loss. You can see this is very clear. You can print it right away. Okay, you can print it right away. See, now from here what you can see is, you can see this. Let us say in this grading, whatever the degree I have taken, I have assumed, here you can see this is the bathroom, toilet, right? This is the toilet seat. So after seeing this, you can say the toilet seat is in east of northeast. It is not in northeast. It is in east of northeast. Okay, so this precision is very much required when you do Vastu consultation. Okay, otherwise you cannot find out the balances or imbalances. Okay, for example, you want to see where the kitchen oven is. So let us say this is the oven, for example. So after this grading, you can very much confidently say the kitchen oven is in the north slot. Okay, so if there is any requirement, like if you want to do any remedy for this, you can do it here. So this becomes very easy, right? So what I can also do is I can just take a PDF also, right? I'll just click on floor plan, this PDF button, and yes, the PDF is ready. Okay, see, you can right away print it. You can simply click on this print button and you can select the printer. You can print it right away. Okay, so there are multiple options available, whichever you want according to your requirement. See, you can also get the 32 grid system, just click on this button PNG, and it takes a bit time because it is getting calculated in the server. That is the reason. See this. It is a bit messy, but it is understandable and easy to use. You can find the entrances. Let us say your entrance, for example, falls in this. This is the entrance, main entry. So you can right away say from this that the entrance is in W6, and you can match with the W6 entrance characteristics, right? So this software becomes very handy and portable when you actually want to grid your house. You do not have the gridding. You can do it without the help of anyone else. Okay, you can do it on your own from the software. And once you have subscribed to the software, you can grid unlimited floor plans as per your requirement. So there is no upper cap on that for the time being. So just use it according to your requirement. Okay, so I hope I explained everything over here. So if you want, you can also draw it. I'm not showing you the drawing part. You can just use this rectangle, circle, whatever you want, if you do not have the floor plan right away. So you can just draw it and do the same thing. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope that this video was actually helpful to understand the manual of this particular app. And this is very portable because you do not need to install anything. You can right away, if you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, you can just log into your account and you can access it if you have an internet connection. So everything is done online. Okay, so anywhere, anytime you can do it. So that's not an issue. Okay, and you can just export it for further evaluation. Okay, even in consultations, what you can do is you can just take the floor plan image, the gridded floor plan, and you can upload it in the consultation section. There is an option for that to upload, because for Vastu consultation you actually need to upload the floor plan, gridded floor plan. Okay, so that makes it very portable and easy to use. So you can just upload it, and right away the Vastu consultant can actually give you consultation on that particular gridding. Okay, so this was the main intention of building this software, and hopefully it will be useful to everyone who actually are Vastu consultants or had to depend on others for the gridding part. And you can do it on your own right now just by watching this video. And also for those learners who actually want to practice gridding on Vastu, gridding on different floor plans. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful to you in the long run. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the software.